This is Woburn Sands. We're at the Bedford to Bletchley line and we've come up to the level crossing and the gate's just come down as we've got to it, and we've got the local train coming through. I think it's £1 to go each way. Stopped at the station and in a moment hopefully that will come across the crossing. No sirens like the American at this crossing. It's taken a while, but then maybe there's passengers getting on and off because it's so cheap. It's actually come from Bletchley and it will be heading past me to Bedford. Yes, it's a 150-139 Marston Rail line. Diesel multiple unit 150-139. There you go, folks. That's it. Just go around the corner and if we're lucky we can catch it as it's going up the line. There you go, guys. Thank you.